Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's technical point is the integumentary system. Now, integumentary system is an organ system that protects the body from various kinds of damage, such as loss of water or absorption of from outside. It also helps to regulate body temperature and acts as a barrier of pathogens. This is the main function of this. It consists of the skin, hairs, nails, and exocrine gland. Now, skin is the largest organ in the body and have three main layers. Epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin, primarily made up of epithelial cells. This provides a waterproof barrier and creates our skin dermis, the middle layer of the skin containing blood vessels, nerves, and connective tissue. It provides strength and elasticity to the skin. Hypodermis, the innermost layer of the skin consisting of fat and connective tissue. It helps the conserve body heat and acts as a shock absorption. Now, hair is also important. Hair is a filamentous structure that grow from follicles found in the dermis. It helps protect the skin, regulate body temperature. Now, nails. Nails are hard cartilaginous plates that cover the tips of the fingers and toes. They protect the fingers and toes and help with gripping objects. Exocrine gland is also important. This gland secretes substances onto the skin surface throughout duct. Now, sweat gland, which helps regulate body temperature, and sebaceous gland, which produce oil. This is called as a sebum to lubricate the skin and hairs. Now, skin can be classified based on thickness into thin skin found in the most part of the body and thick skin found in the areas of the subject to a lot of abrasion such as the palms of the hand and sole of the feet. Now, integumentary system contains different types of function. First of all, one is the main function is the protection. Acts as a physical barrier to pathogen. Now, here is also called here to damage pathogen. UV radiation, harmful chemicals, thermoregulation, help regulate the body temperature throughout sweat production and blood vessel dilation. Now, sensation is a main function, contains sensory receptor that detect touch, pressure, temperature, and pain in our skin. Vitamin D synthesis, the skin produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, which is important for the calcium absorption and bone health. Excretion help eliminate waste product throughout the sweat in summer season and any season. Immune defense contains immune cells that help protect against infections. Blood reservoir can hold a significant amount of blood, which can be redirected to other part of the body. Now, integumentary system are crucial for maintaining hemostatic stasis and protecting the body from external threats. Regular care and maintaining of the skin, hair, and nails are essential for overall health and well-being. This is the integumentary system. Thank you.